This is a 2016 Mazda speaker issue fix. Speakers are blown. There's an issue with water dripping down between the back of the speaker and the speaker frame, causing the back of the speaker to delaminate from the frame. This is the fix. Take off the door panel. This is what the removed door panel looks like. To take off the door panel, there's a single screw in here. You remove that tray, take that screw out, and then pry the door panel off, which I'll show. And then the speaker, there's 4 screws that hold the speaker on. You have to take these clips off the inside of the door, this clip off the speaker. Here's the speaker. Used Loctite product to glue the speaker off. I'll pull the next one off so you can see the process and then the reinstall. So here's the door. This little tray down in here, you want to get a screwdriver down there, pull that out. I'll show you what it looks like when it's out. Once you have it, lift it up, pull it out. There's a screw down there, take that screw out. Once you remove that screw, set it aside, then grab the bottom of the door by the speaker and just pull it till it separates. You'll hear the clips come loose. It's a little difficult to do with the phone here, but you'll see it comes off. Just go all the way around. And it comes off. Once you've pried it loose, the door handle will come out like this. Separate the panel back. And you'll see there's a couple of connectors. Just disconnect them here. There's little clips that hold them, and then one on the speaker. These are the 2 clips that were just disconnected. This is what the door looks like when the panel's off. You have another clip here with your speaker. Just grab it, push this tab down with your thumb, and pull it off. Comes off like that. And there's 4 screws around the speaker. Once you get all the screws off, as you can see here, once you get those screws off, you then want to pry the speaker loose. I'm not going to do it holding the camera, but I might drop the speaker. But hold it with one hand and then pry at one of the tabs here with a screwdriver, and then the speaker will pop off. Once you've pried the speaker loose, pull it away, and sure enough, here's the issue. You see the corrosion along here, and then if you push down on here, this isn't attached, and you hear that clicking, buzzing noise. So that's the issue. It should look like this. It should be attached and not pull away. So I'll show you how we'll fix that in a minute. Alright, so back here's the speaker with the area that's pulled apart. The product I'm using is a super glue gel, and I'm just going to apply the glue in here all the way around and then clamp it down. So I'm just going to take the glue nozzle and squeeze it in here like that. A little difficult to do with one hand here. Just get glue in there and pull it away where it's loose. Okay, got a pretty liberal amount in there. Then I'm just gonna take these clamps. These are, I bought them for a bag of them for a couple dollars. And just place them around. go. And we'll let that sit. Alright, that's it. Alright, now we're going to put this speaker back on. This is the one they previously repaired. And it goes in this orientation, so this plug lines up. And I'll put it in with the 4 screws. Alright, I tighten the 4 screws in around the outside here. And I'm going to take this clip, install it in here. Alright, and now we're going to put the door panel back on. And when you look at the door panel, there's these clips that look like this. And they go into holes like this on the door here. They line up on the back of the panel. You'll see them on the back of the panel here. And you just push the door on. And then this screw here is the one we took out. And this screws down here that holds the door on. Some of your clips might break. So you can see here, this one broke. You can go to your auto parts store and get another one. But you might be able to reuse them. So just take a look. You might have to turn the direction that they're in. But most of them, I think I only had two that broke. So pretty easy. I'll put it on and then show you the finished install. So in doing this again, there's a screw in the back of this panel you probably want to take out. There's this little piece that goes behind there. It's like this. You have to pull this handle out and then grab the back of it over here and then pry it out, and then that'll allow you access to that screw. That makes taking the door handle off, and you won't have this issue like I had right here where you crack the bezel around that. So make sure you do that when you take the door off. Remove that panel and remove that screw so that pulls away with the door panel. And here's the door panel installed. Snap back in place. And the speaker's fixed. Here's the screw installed. And this little guy, hard to do with one hand, snaps in place. There's 2 clips. Alright. There we go. Alright, that's in. This piece is pushed back in, just snaps in. Now we're done.